Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the battery in on ARLO Pro 4. To put the battery in, press on the button at the bottom of your device. Now the front will pop out. You can simply pull it out. The whole unit can be pulled out of the chassis. Now take the battery and you can put it inside. Make sure that the pins will align. Once it clicks it's in, you'll see the blue light going on for a moment. Then you can put the unit into the chassis until it slightly clicks. And that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.